I come from Argentina. Actually, I'm working with Celia Santi in Washington University in St. Louis. I did 1 year of postdoc, and actually we are doing research in trying to figure out which tools can we have for male contraception. We are interested in electrophysiology. Mostly we know that one channel, that is SLO3, is very important for the sperm capacitation. The capacitation is a process that occurs in the female tract to the sperm, and it's essential for the fertilization. So if it's not capacitation, it's not fertilization at all. When I started my career as a reproductive scientist, I heard first from my ex-boss, Mariano Buffone, who was a Furby also, and he always stressed about the importance of this course, how to come here and learn, mostly learn. And when I then decided to do my postdoc with Celia Santi, she also supported me a lot to come here. And since I start my career as a scientist, I was willing to come here and to learn. And to know many scientists in the field. When I decided to come here, I was trying to learn mostly techniques and what is going on in the field. I think I'm learning how to think as a scientist, because here in this course there are many scientists that are really good, and in this course you have the opportunity also to drink a coffee with them, to have a talk in a relaxed way. And so they also teach you not only as how to be a scientist in the laboratory, but also how to be a scientist out of the laboratory. And this is something that I really like to learn. What I like about being here is that you are completely focused in one thing. So the thing about being here 24 hours is that you have to forget your normal life. So you are completely focused on science and on the scientist, and also you're focused on your lab partners. And this, I think that it's quite good also, because you start having bonds with your lab partners and with your the scientists as you are in a family, because you're living, eating, sleeping with the same people. I like a lot the part of the laboratory staff, because here there are a lot of resources, and you have one mice for you, and if you try to do a technique and it's not working, you can ask for another to repeat your experiment. All the TAs are 24 hours available for questions. I have the opportunity to know other people and to know what is going on in other fields. I like to think as a scientist. I think that I feel moved because the scientific questions that I have to do research about male contraception, but I also think that as a scientist I have a social responsibility. And what I think about male contraception is that it's very related in terms of the social things. So I think that when woman contraception come out, it make us as a woman to have the opportunity to take decisions about our life. And I think that now that I feel and I'm happy that the world is going through a process that we are beginning to have more gender equality, and the male part is more conscious about, and it's more integrated about the decisions that were before thought that only are from the female. Now we think that I think that the world is going to that the male is also a big thing in a family and also can take decisions. I think that this is very important. I think that it will change the way as we see the society in terms of gender equality. And Well, and what I'm doing now as a project is that we are trying to see if we can find inhibitors of a potassium channel that is SLO3, to see if we can, by inhibiting this channel, prevent the capacitation process that, as I told before, the capacitation is something that has to occur in the female tract to the sperm, and if it doesn't occur, then the sperm is not able to fertilize an oocyte. So we are trying to answer that question. And actually, one of my lab partners, Max, has also, he told me 2 weeks ago that he also have a fellowship for Male Contraceptive Initiative, and he's very happy about that because we can continue with this project thanks to you guys.